If WhatsApp messages are not sending, stuck on one tick, or you're not receiving messages until you open the app, this quick guide will help you fix it. Step 1. Check connection quickly. Pull down from the top of the screen to open Quick Settings. Make sure Wi-Fi or mobile data is on and airplane mode is off. If you're on Wi-Fi, switch to mobile data and test. If you're on mobile data, switch to Wi-Fi and test. Open Chrome or YouTube and see if a page actually loads. Step 2. Test WhatsApp status. Open WhatsApp. Send a message to a trusted contact or to yourself. If it stays on one tick, the message is not leaving your phone. If your contact says they sent you messages and you only get them when you open WhatsApp, it's usually a background or data restriction issue. Step 3. Turn off data saver or battery saver. Open settings on your phone. Tap network and internet. Tap data saver. If data saver is on, turn it off and test WhatsApp again. Then go back to settings. Scroll down and tap battery. If you see battery saver or power saver turned on, tap on it and turn it off temporarily and test if messages start sending and arriving normally. Step 4. Allow WhatsApp background data. Open settings and tap apps. Tap see all apps. Find WhatsApp and tap it. Tap mobile data usage. Make sure background data is on. Also make sure unrestricted data usage is on if that option exists. If background data is blocked, WhatsApp won't receive messages until you open the app. Step 5. Let WhatsApp run in the background. From the WhatsApp app info page, tap app battery usage. Make sure the toggle for allow background usage is on. Tap on allow background usage. On a pixel, you'll see allow background usage at the top. Under that, choose optimized, recommended for most people. If messages are still delayed, you can try unrestricted, so WhatsApp is never put to sleep, but it may use a bit more battery. Do not turn allow background usage off. If it's off, your phone can pause WhatsApp in the background, and you'll only get messages when you open the app. Step 6. Clear WhatsApp cache. On the same app info page, tap Storage and Cache. Tap Clear Cache. Do not tap Clear Storage unless you want to log out and reset WhatsApp. After clearing the cache, reopen WhatsApp and test messages again. Step 7. Reset network settings. If messages still don't send or arrive, open Settings again. Scroll down and tap System. Scroll down again and tap Reset options. Choose Reset Wi-Fi, Mobile and Bluetooth, or Reset Mobile Network settings, depending on what your phone shows. Tap Reset at the bottom to confirm the reset. This will clear saved network settings, but will not delete your apps or photos. After the reset, turn Wi-Fi or mobile data back on, open WhatsApp, and test sending a message again. If other apps have internet, but WhatsApp still doesn't work, update WhatsApp from the Google Play Store or uninstall and reinstall it. Your WhatsApp messages should now be sending and receiving properly on Android. Thanks for watching. If this helped, tap like, leave a comment, and subscribe for more Android privacy tips.